What's up guys, Craig, Fergie, JKU here. Pretty excited today. I got this Hey Trip inflatable air mattress. It's gonna go in the back of my Jeep. It's really snowy right now, so I don't think I'll be camping anytime soon, but when I do, I'm pretty stoked to be able to use this. So let's check it out. So it looks like it comes with a storage bag, air pump, and the mattress, a little patch kit, and the mattress. It's pretty good. I actually thought it was going to be one of those foot pumps. So pretty stoked that it's not, and it's actually an electric pump. Let's see, oh, and it's a cigarette lighter, so that way you can do it while you're out camping. So you're gonna notice there's three things. Keep them all attached. The way we inflate it, we put this big one on, and then we put this medium-sized one on. And then this will just go right in here, and we'll plug it in. So let's see how it works. What's pretty cool about this, obviously there's two different sides for firmness. If one person is sleeping here and they like it firm and the other side they want it a little bit softer, all they have to do is open this and they could push this button and it'll lessen that side. So that's pretty cool. It took a minute, less than a minute each side. Let's see how it looks in the back of the Jeep, and then I'll do some pictures when I'm actually out using it. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's see if it fits and all that. So you can see it's kind of a tight fit, but it is a good fit. I just need to move my seats up a little bit more, and I have a lot of stuff on the sides. So on the back of my seat, a lot of storage bags, mole racks, stuff like that. I need to move that, but once I do that, it's going to be a nice fit. So I'll clean it up and you can see what it looks like once it's in there. All right guys, I got it all set up in the Jeep. Pull the seats down. I'm actually missing one seat over there, so it's a little lopsided, but not that much. But if you have both seats, it'll be flat. And what I did is I removed the headrest from my rear passenger seat, because otherwise it would stick up a little bit more, and to be honest, I kind of like it better without that headrest. It looks more like a true bench seat. Yeah, it's all set up. Of course, I had to throw in some pretty lights. I don't know, let's see how comfortable it is. So let me get in. Let's take a journey. Yeah, so pretty cool. It's very comfortable. I've got plenty of room. Probably move up a little bit more. So I am like 5'10". So if you're taller than 6 feet, this may be kind of rough. You may have to just leave the tailgate open and let your feet kind of hang out. But no, it's super cool. I'm excited. Check them out. Hey Trip. Yeah, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks guys.